the first thing we can do, as mentioned in the last video, is check to see if anything has been returned, if we've got any results from the query at all. Now, I did say that we couldn't look at what was in here just yet. We will pull all the information out from result a little bit later, but at the moment, if the query worked, then we should have some values inside result. If the query didn't work for some reason, then we shouldn't have any values at all, and we can check for that. So I'm going to write a little if statement. If not empty, and we've used that before, result. So if the result isn't empty, then, oops, too many, we're going to print out we have values. However, if it is empty, we're just going to type out the fact that something is amiss. We need to look into it and figure out what the problem is. So that's the way to check whether a result contains any values or not. So let's save that and run it. Back in index 3, there we go. Completed successfully, or connected successfully, we've got some values. So what would it be if we, let's say, instead of choosing everything, we chose a non-existent field. So there's no field leg in person. We've got first name, last name, ID and age. There is no such thing as leg. So if I save that and then again reload this, then we get something is amiss. Okay, there is no results because there's nothing, there's no field called leg, so it can't find anything. So we've executed the second line of the if statement. So now we've checked whether result contains something. What ideally we would like to do is actually get the values from result and be able to play around with those.